Hi, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to skip page numbering in Adobe InDesign. So if your document has a bunch of pages and you have a special page that you don't want a page number to show on, this is the video for you. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm here in Adobe InDesign. The way I have this set up is I have parent page. This is actually an old version of InDesign, so it still says master up here. But these are parent pages. So I have a parent page with the number on the left, and then the B parent page with the number on the right. And then I have 2, 4, and 6 all have A, 3, 5, and 7 have B. So the trick is to add a new parent page that has everything except the page number. So the pages will still count in the document, but the page number isn't displayed. So if you don't already have your pages open, go to Window, Pages. You can find it right here. And let's say for some reason I don't want a number on this page. This is using parent page A. I'll go ahead and duplicate that. I'll click on it and drag it down to the little plus at the bottom. So now I have parent page C. And I'll click on the page number for that one and then delete it. And now I can apply that C parent page to page 4. And as you can see, the page number is gone now because this is using that C parent page, which does not have a page number. But if we come down here to page 5, we still have number 5 on that page. So if you have a lot of pages that you want to apply this C parent to, you can right click on that and then just choose Apply Parent to Pages. It'll apply that parent page to all of those pages. Now, if you want to start your page numbering, say on page 4, I have another video for that, and that'll be right up in the corner of your screen right now. And that's it. All right, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.